Alright friends, this time around we are going to make a nice, huge, delicious apple kind of like the stuff that you get at McDonald's, but this is going to be huge. So you grab a little bit of dough and just pan it with the proper wood tool, or I don't know what this is called, but what really matters is that you put some paper underneath, that it has wax on one side so it won't stick in the oven. And then you add lots of apple. And you grab some cinnamon and put it all over the delicious apple. Tons of cinnamon. And you grab some raisins. And you put the raisins in there as if there was no tomorrow. The more sweet, delicious stuff. Remember, all of this is going into the oven, so it's going to melt deliciously. And don't forget to wash your hands and everything. As you will always do, right? You can also add a little bit of chocolate, but you never know the kind of products you may want to add here. At this time, we are going to pour some honey. Not lots, but some. So imagine all that honey inside there with apple, the cinnamon, and the raisins. And then that is, so I guess this is kind of like, what's it called? Like a kind of like nut, walnut, and powder. And you have that paper underneath, so it's easier for you to just flip it over. See that? Mmm. Delicious. That's looking marvelous. And take your time. This is not a race. You can get things right, well, nice and covered. Oh, imagine how that's gonna taste. Oh my gosh. If you have a sweet tooth, this is the plate you will want to be making for yourself. Oh yes, sir. Oh my gosh, this looks good. And I guess we are gonna add a little bit of egg on top of it, right? And you can grab a fork and kind of like marry both sides. And it gives that nice little look. Have tiny little things. It can kind of like pressure stuff. And you grab your egg. And if it's just regular egg, one whole egg that you put on a pan and then mix it all around, the egg yolk and everything all together, and just like if you were painting. Yum, yum, yum. And at the end, guess what? If you didn't think there was enough sweet in there, you can add some cane sugar. Yes, sir. On top of that egg, cane sugar. This is gonna look amazing. I can't wait until this is over and finished and cooked. And now you're gonna open your oven and you will pull all the other stuff out. That is great. And getting ready to put the other ones in. And that's it. Close that in there and you're done.